Cardinal birds are beautiful species that add color to the wildlife of forests and gardens. These birds stand out particularly for their red-colored feathers. Cardinals generally live in the forests and gardens and are active throughout the day. They are known for their vocalizations, especially during the summer months. Cardinal typically fly from place to place in search of food. Birch trees are also a beautiful part of the forest. These trees are often recognized by their white-colored trunks. Birch trees live primarily in forests, and during the summer months, they are known for their green leaves. These trees produce fruits primarily during the summer months. These fruits are brown in color and have a hard outer shell, but they contain a delicious and sweet inside. The relationship between cardinal birds and birch trees is a natural part of the forest. Cardinal birds eat the fruits of the birch trees during the summer months, and the trees produce fruits for the birds to eat. This relationship is important for the ecological balance of the forest. The colorful feathers and vocalizations of the cardinal birds and the white trunks and green leaves of the birch trees are all part of the beauty of the forest. These paintings you see now are watercolor works of art inspired by all these natural wonders. You can reach the watercolor artistic prints from the link in the description section. Now I leave you alone with these unique landscapes accompanied by this magnificent music. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Enjoy watching.